We don't want to just put Uber under the bus, because we all know the little tree that's trying to grow, that's kind of falling, little branches are falling off. Lyft over here, they had their own fair share of problems as well too. It might not have been widespread, but they've been doing kind of a similar thing. And we got some
Yeah. This is another popular email this week. Okay. I am still trying to confirm this. No, this part is real. Okay. However, the part that was this driver's reasoning is not clear yet. So with that caveat, you know who you are, sir, because I asked you with your permission, I'm going to show this, and you said yes. I'm saying, he says that after 3 or 4 declines, this is what Lyft is doing now. Okay, Lyft, please don't follow Uber. I get the verification. I am all for verification for reasons we're going to talk about in about half hour, probably, about fake accounts, accounts for sale on the black market, all that good stuff. This is happening on Lyft now. Chris, Lyft has something additional. On Uber, I get the verification every 6 hours, maybe, or every, depending on how many hours, probably every 10 hours. So it'll say, take a selfie of yourself. Get it? I'm like, okay, click, I'm done. Good. Take your hat off, take your glasses off. Make sure if you have a beard, and you didn't have a beard on the old picture, but I'm not sure you can grow a beard in a couple of days. So Uber is easy. Uber's AI is working. Now on Lyft's part, Lyft added on top of your picture, they want you to upload the back and the front of your driver's license as well. Now, Lyft, this is completely unnecessary, honestly, because some people's driver's license could be worn out, old, 3-4 years old. Maybe it's a little bit of, I don't know, wear and tear on it. And your AI is not picking it up. And this guy got locked out, Chris. He goes, shit, I declined 3 or 4, and this is what happened. Then I can't get in. I call support. They don't know what I'm talking about. I'm like, well, I go, sorry, buddy. I can't help you. I don't know. I hope it gets fixed. So Lyft. Okay, if that's the case, that you're following Uber after 3-4 declines, you're kicking people out willy-nilly around the city, don't do that. Or if you're going to do it, at least simplify your verification process, because that's a lot of work. Like a picture on top of the front and back of the driver's license, it's too much. Shit will go wrong. AI is not perfect. I don't know, maybe the guy's camera was old. I have no idea. So this guy was experiencing this now. So it was like, this whole week was like 3 or 4 declines, slap you in the head. And, I'm pretty sure this is also, Lyft's TOS also has a similar thing, that you're just an independent contractor, decline all you want, offers, whatever. I'm going like, so if you guys are experiencing this, please let me know. Sergio at RideShareGuy.com.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.